Life Enhancement by Srinivasan Chari. Last session of Part 1. Man is the only species with the mental capacity to choose between alternative courses of action. Perceive the outcomes and implications of those choices, and act with educated, intentional commitment. The cow is inherently timid, and the tiger is naturally fierce. They can't be anything other. What you want to accomplish is typically dictated by your desires. Our impulses will devour us if we do not endeavor to regulate or sort them out. Wants are endless. If we give in to our body's desires without first thinking about it, we will become gluttons or hedonists. If our mind is in command, we are at the mercy of our emotions and feelings. Much like a ship without a rudder and steering mechanism on a rough sea. If we are just interested in academic pursuits, we will wind ourselves in a monastery, far from the real world. Personality types foremost. Because wants are derived from fundamental personality qualities, it is worthwhile to understand broad personality types, as there are several traits. Personality qualities may be classified into 4 broad categories, each having 2 extreme forms. People may discover that they fall somewhere between the 2 extremes of any given dimension, but a dominating style will emerge, allowing them to learn more about themselves and offer methods to develop in the manner they want. The importance of education. Never, ever stop learning. We are delusory if we claim to know everything, even about a single topic. The capacity to choose and pursue the proper route, whether we like it or not, is the most significant thing we can get from education. This necessitates intellect, as well as the capacity to utilize it, to analyze emotions and sentiments prior to making a decision. This is how we progress from lower to higher realms of life. However, intellectual elitism should be avoided. As previously said, the self is more than the sum of the body, mind, and intellect. It takes some humility to realize that we are just a speck in a huge world. As we go through the levels, more and more opportunities to study and grasp things that become available to us. Only the smartest folks really understand how much they know. We will now investigate emotions and feelings, and how they affect our life, in Part 2. Thanks for watching.